Hello everyone and welcome back to Nora Crypto. In this video, I will go over a new project. This is a presale and this project will be launching in about 4 days at the time of this recording. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. AirFi Network is a new project protocol that has a two-part. The first part is the actual token, the presale for the auto-compounding token. It is an auto-compounding project. The second part is they do have functioning nodes here. Let's go over the site, some of the details, and get a brief overview on how you can get involved. Also, I will leave all reference links under the description of this video if you want to get involved. Now at the top, we're at the main page. Here's a presale page, the note, and the white paper. I will be going over all the sections. Then we have Twitter, Telegram, Medium, and Discord. I always encourage everyone to join the socials if you guys have any further questions before getting involved. If we take a look at their Twitter, they have about 10,000 followers, a pretty large community there. If we look at Telegram, we have about 12,000 members. Also, they do have a Medium, and we have a Discord of about 8,000 members here and over 500 online. So if we get back to their main website, it says the blockchain built for finance at the highest paying auto-staking and auto-compounding DEX protocol guaranteed fixed APY of 745,000 80% APY there. So it's a huge earnings with this auto-compounding token. Now they have two different nodes, a light node and a full node. It says become an owner of nodes from AirFi Network and earn from $65 to $335 net income per day. You can take part in the presale and buy the nodes. We'll go over those buttons in just a bit. Let's continue and read a little bit more about this project. So it is a staking platform, auto-staking and compounding. Auto rewards. Get rewards automatically every 1 minute. That's 1,440 payouts per day without delays. And this is the Defi 3.0 Multichain Farming to support high rewards. So they will be investing those fees into other protocols to sustain the high APY. We've seen a lot of these projects. Some of these have lasted several months and have been highly successful, so always do your own research. This is not financial advice. This is just the latest project where you can get involved before it launches. Now we have fixed APY here of 745,000 80%. That's 2.47% per day and 1,440 times paid per day and for 12 months. Now down here we have phases to main network launch. First we have the node here. Launch of 300 full nodes and 700 light nodes. And for those who don't know, full nodes act as a server in a decentralized network. Their main tasks include maintaining consensus among other nodes and verifying transactions. And the goal of light nodes is to choose full nodes as validators for block creation. For this, light nodes will receive a commission, which is part of the block reward. Down here, they do have a test net, the main net where they'll be launching the AirFi DEX, launch AirFi Bridge, AirFi Defi, AirFi Scanner, and launch of key wallet integration. So they do have a lot of plans there for the future. Here are their socials once again. Then we have their native token APY, which pays 0.17% per average rewards to holders every 1 minute. And they have a simple example here at the end of the year. With a $1,000 investment of APY, you can earn up to $7,451,804 of their AirFi token at 745,000 80% APY. Now, these are pretty insane numbers, so you do have advantages when you join these protocols early on, and you can make some pretty great returns. Here are the tokenomics of the token. 30 million tokens. Then we have the initial supply of 738,000. Then the presale is 47%, liquidity 23%, marketing 15%, ecosystem 13%, and 2% for the team. That is the distribution of the token. Now here are the fees. 2% of the transactions will go to the nodes, 3% to the treasury, 4% to the risk insurance fund fee, 4% to liquidity fee, and 2% to the burn fee. So I think it's well-balanced token there. We have a total 15% in taxes there. Here we have more on the white paper. They do have a Git book, which is basically everything that I'm going right now. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Then we have KYC and audit reports. They have a solid proof audit. They have a Solidity Finance and KYC. If you click on these, it will take you to these links. KYC and docs completed, and here is AirFi, and it states here that the date was October 15th, and it's audited by RateTech. Also here is Solidity Finance. Here are the audit findings. The audit looks pretty clean. Nothing too alarming other than just here one warning. The team can mend any number of tokens at any time. That's the only warning I found here. And here is solid proof audit, so you can check this out by yourself. Now I want to get back to the main website. Here's a little information about the nodes. It says become an owner of a node from the AirFi platform and receive daily passive income from $65 light nodes to $335 full nodes. And we'll see how much it costs to partake in either one. You can click your more to see more information, which we will. But we'll keep it going, and it's basically stating the same here. And we'll go over the differences in just a moment. AirFi Network in the mass media. You can click in any of these articles, and they have published articles with these sites here. It says start your journey to financial freedom now. Invest in the new AirFi blockchain during the pre-sale round, and start earning passive income 24/7. And here is the team. Stephen McKee, Brooklyn Dale, and Gustavo De Luca. You can click in their LinkedIn profiles and read a little bit more about the team. Stephen McKee is a CEO of AirFi Network. He is from Dublin, Ireland. I did read up a little bit about his experience, and he is a project manager with software engineer background. Here are some of their investors and partners, and the roadmap for Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. And here is Phase 5 for this year. And here are some frequently asked questions. I'm pretty much going over everything for your convenience. But as well, I will leave all links down below. So now let's take a look at the pre-sale now. Fair launch will take place at the pink sale. The pre-sale ends in about 4 days at the time of this recording. I will be releasing this a little bit later tomorrow. So at the time of the release of this video will be somewhere around 3 days, not 4 days. So you still have some time to get involved. A total of 348,000 APY tokens have been allocated prior to the sale. Soft cap is equal to 100 BNB. And remember that the fair launch will last until January 19/15 UTC. After that, the listing of the APY token on PancakeSwap will take place. Now, let's jump over to the node section. We already went over some of these numbers. Let's look how it works. It says they perform an important role in the blockchain, namely confirmation of transactions and blocks, verification of blocks, and storage of full copies of the blockchain, and synchronizing with each other, updating the data to the current version, thus ensuring the security and trouble-free operation of the network. There are full-fledged nodes that store the complete history of all transactions in the blockchain, and light ones that allow transactions to be carried out without downloading an abundance of data. Full nodes are nodes that have a copy of the entire blockchain. The main task of a full node is to verify the correctness of transactions and blocks, as well as the correctness of the hash in the new block, and, accordingly, the validity of the block and its eligibility to be added to the blockchain. The higher the number of nodes, the higher the security of the network. This reduces the risk of access and subsequent management of stakeholders to the blockchain system. So that is what the full node encompasses. And here is how the light node is different. It has the same purpose as a full node, however, unlike full nodes. They contain information only about partial blockchain histories and cannot themselves check the validity. So with the full node, it has full validity and interaction with the blockchain. And here they cannot validate the actual blockchain with the light nodes. And here they have a short video how to deploy nodes. If you want to get involved here, step-by-step PDF guide, you can download it or watch this brief 1-minute video. And here is the PDF, which you can check it out. So this is not like a node where you just do it on their website. You actually use Microsoft Azure. And if you're having difficulties how to get set up, you can just come here to the AirFi Network website and select nodes. You can view the short video or the PDF for the step-by-step tutorial. They have a calculator for both the light node and the full node. You could input your numbers here to calculate those nodes cuts, but they make it very simple here with an initial setup for a full node. You're looking to add $24.75 to set up a node. The daily node return is $335. Here's your weekly income, monthly income, and yearly income. Now, if we go to the light node, it's $825 initial setup, daily node returns $65, weekly $457, monthly $1,961, yearly $23,863. They do have an Excel spreadsheet here where you can review these numbers and how this works. Pretty useful calculator there. Now, if you do get involved here and you want to participate in the nodes, you can buy a light node or a full node right now. In the presale, the node cost will be 3 BNB instead of 7 once it launches, or 9 BNB instead of 25 BNB once it launches. So you can get involved with the node as well as the token. So it's a huge discount, and you also have the referral program. So that is AirFi Network. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this project. We are in a bear market here, and DeFi tends to continue to push forward with innovation and opportunities. This is why I like DeFi. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Ring the notification bell for more time-sensitive videos just like this one. That's it. See you next time.